friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We're in my bathroom today because my other room is filled up with stuff. Hooray! So this is, my bathroom's not finished. It's almost finished, and I'm trying to get angles right here. Yeah, it's almost finished. You'll see, the door frames, things, trims still have to go up. Just little things everywhere. Little things everywhere all the time. We have Stitch Fix. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, there's a referral link down below. You can click on that to get $25 towards your first box. I feel like I have so much gesturing room. But we have our trusty rusty screwdriver. We're gonna open up the box. I'm not used to these tall countertops. Usually the box is below me. Not below me, but you get it. Here, that's better. All right, we have Stitch Fix, invoice, mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. This is a weird angle. It's not, it's fine. It looks fine. It's just different. It's just different. And we have our bundle, which I will show you in a moment. I'm trying to figure out where to put things so you don't see. Over there? Yeah, you can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, here we go. Happy weekend if you guys are watching this on a weekend. Happy Wednesday if you're watching it the day I post it. Hey again, Rachel. Happy Fix Day. The cool, crisp weather is finally almost here, and I'm thrilled to help you snag some seasonal updates. I'm so glad you loved pieces you're not in your last fix. What did I keep? Don't remember. With the days getting shorter soon, let's focus on heightening your style with some lovely looks for autumn. Feel free to share any weekend activities you have coming up that I can help style you for. I was so pumped to see you selected all 5 items from your preview. I did. I can't wait to hear how they work out in person. The high-rise denim is a great fall staple and super easy to dress up or down. You can style them with the gray tee and mustard cardigan with the cute booty. Speaking of shoes, did you need me to keep an eye out for a pair? Probably not. I hope you're enjoying this time of year, and I look forward to chatting again soon. XO, Caitlin. Thanks, Caitlin. Thanks. Here we go. Let me guys know if you like this better. Like, it's brighter. The other room's gonna be white eventually when we paint. I think all the rooms are gonna be white up here. We'll see. All right, so that's our little style note. I did pick everything from the Fix preview. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, they send you a Fix preview of 10 items. You can choose 5 items, you can choose 1, and then they fill in the rest with whatever. But I picked everything. Here's our bundle. Look at her. She's a cute fall bundle. All right, let's open her up. I'm excited. I'm excited for fall as it's 80 degrees out today. But our first top is Paper Moon Imani Flutter Sleeve Mixed Material Blouse in blue. And I thought this would be cute for work. So it's got the stretchy material in the back and then the not stretchy material in the front. Isn't that cute? I thought it was a really pretty color. With the little flutter sleeves, I thought that'd be good. Be good for work. I liked it. Little V-neck action going on. This is where I get ready in the morning. This is like my little vanity over here. And we have, this looked black in the, or it looked like more like a mineral wash black in the Fix preview, but it is gray. And it's large. It's really stretchy. I might have to size down, but we'll see. And it has a pocket, you know, because why not? It's just for decoration. Everyone knows you don't put anything in those pockets. But this is a nice little t-shirt, casual. And here we have, I'm getting blown out with the white paint. We have a cardigan, because I need new cardigans. And this would even be cute with the shirt I'm wearing here. Oh, I didn't read this one. Market and Spruce, Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve Tee in dark gray, size large. This is the Love Ellie Wells Confetti Cardigan in dark purple, size large. And look at her. Can you see? Look at the confetti in there. Like a freaking confetti cake. So I thought that was cute. And there's pockets. Everyone knows you need a pocket in your cardigans. You don't need it on your t-shirt, but you need one on your cardigans. And this is the exclusive. This is the Pink Clover Akaya Textured Double Pocket Cardigan in mustard. So she's really soft because she's Pink Clover. But she also has pockets and just like a really pretty fall color, I thought it would look nice. Hi. And last we have some jeans, which I haven't had this brand before, or tried this brand before from them. It's Hint of Blue Archie High Rise Boy Jeans in Indigo. And they're kind of like a classic, not an acid wash at all, but like kind of a lighter wash like that. It just looks like classic, you know. And it's a boyfriend. Oh, they're stretchy too. They're stretchy too. So I thought this was like kind of like the perfect fall fix kind of thing. So, all right, let's try everything on. All right, here's two of the items. Here's the cardigan and the jeans. I just left my t-shirt that I had on because I thought it would go good with it. And it does. Ooh, okay, I got a pan down because I just felt on the cardigan, like a little side slit right there. So that's cool. I like cardigans with a side slit. Side slit, it's hard to say. Here's the jeans. I think they're cute. They're very comfy. They're like the boyfriend jeans, so they're a little bit baggier, which I don't have ones like this. So I think they're really comfy. They're kind of slouchy. Pan down. There's a Stitch Fix box. Yeah, I think they're good. I think they're cute. Here's the back. They're size 14. So I think I could maybe go down because they're really stretchy, and then that might be a little less baggy down here too, but I think they're supposed to be a little baggy, being the boyfriend jean. But I think they're cute. I think they're pretty cute. All right. Hello, real time. Real time. Yeah, I like the cardigan too. It's really soft. I like the confetti in there. I think it'll go with a lot of things. It has pockets. This is the door to my future closet someday. It is just a disaster in there right now. So someday that will be my closet. Maybe we could do videos in there someday too. But here we go, first outfit. Here's the Market and Spruce t-shirt. It's just a nice basic t-shirt. It's that dark gray with a pocket. I, of course, would tuck it in and just do the tuck in the front. There's a mirror over here. You can do like that, and then we'll put the cardigan on over it. Oh, this is so soft. So soft, like ridiculously soft. Here is the yellow cardigan. This does not have a side slit. It's just all one length around the bottom. See, and that's cute too. I like the texture of this one. I like that knit. I think is really nice. I think it's cute. I'll pan down so you can see the length of the cardigan. Real time. See? Kind of like mid-thigh. I'm 5'4", so if you're taller than me, it would maybe be up here. But it's mid-thigh on me. Here's the back. So I think that's cute. I like this one too. All right, let's do the last shirt. Last top. I would wear this to work for sure. I would wear it like going out somewhere too. I noticed it has this like little elastic kind of ruching right there, which is a nice little detail. And then the pleats in the sleeve to make it a flutter sleeve. It's really cute. Oh, well. Here's the length if it's not tucked in, which looks fine. Mirror. But I would tuck it in. At work, I would tuck it all the way in, but like with jeans, you could just kind of blouse it like that. Here's the back. So, yeah, I like this one too. I think it's a 5 for $5. Do I want to spend all the money for a 5 for $5? We'll find out. But everything's really cute. I like all these things. It's nice. I like the jeans. I do like the jeans. I wonder if I should try to size down though, because they are really, really stretchy. And as you wear them, you know, like throughout the day, I just feel like they would get even looser. So, all right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. I liked everything. Okay. Okay, the Paper Moon Imani Flutter Sleeve Mixed Material Blouse in blue, size large. I'm leaning, I know, I'm tired. In blue, size large, $40. The Hint of Blue Archie High Rise Straight Jean in indigo, size 14, $49. That's pretty good for Stitch Fix jeans. Market and Spruce Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve Tee in dark gray, $28. Pink Clover Akaya Textured Double Pocket Cardigan in mustard, size large, $48. And the Love Ellie Wells Confetti Cardigan in dark purple, size large, $50. $2.15 for everything. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making it $161.25 for the whole box. I don't want to spend $161 right now, but I liked everything, and I'm gonna use I would use all those things in this box for work and play. So it's a good investment. It's a good investment. Someone tell my husband that. I think I'm gonna keep everything. Just a matter of when. Maybe I'll wait till I get paid. But this was a really good box. I really liked it. I liked everything I picked from the preview. So like the preview was really good, that I found 5 things in the preview that I liked. So if you guys want to try Stitch Fix, again, there's a referral link down below. You get $25 towards your first box. Thank you guys so much for watching. And my bathroom, maybe I'll do these in here if you guys like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.